Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop Product Pictogram module. In this video, I'll try to explain the configuration of the module and how you can use this module to increase the functionality of your shop. But before we go to the configuration part, let me just tell you what a pictogram is. Pictogram is nothing but a pictorial representation of physical object or whatever you want to show. This usually helps to convey the information very clearly without the use of much text or lengthy paragraphs. This is one of the methods that you can say that has no language barrier to. A picture can convey the information very clearly to the customers all around the globe and more or less the same meaning to all the customers who are living across the globe in various regions and places. So now let's just go to the configuration part. To see the configuration settings of the module, let's just head to the Prestashop back office. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my Prestashop. So let's just go to the configuration. In the configuration settings of the module, there are multiple options. So let me just explain you each of the options one by one. The first option is Enable Module. Whether you want to keep this module as enabled or not, or if you want to disable it, you can do it from here too. We have given this option for your convenience. After that, the next option is Image Fill. This option will allow you to show the pictograms or the pictures in the full circle. That in case even if the picture which you have uploaded against any feature does not fits into the circle, it will make the settings according to the image and it will fill suitably in the circles which are shown at the front end. After that, the next option is Image Hover Enlarge. The Image Hover Enlarge option allows your customers to enlarge the pictograms which you have added for the features of your products on the product page. In case if it's not clearly visible or anything with that, then you can provide these options to your customer so that they can enlarge the image and see very clearly that whatever the features which you have wanted to show via the help of pictograms. After that, a pictogram is basically shown in the circle. We will clearly understand, or you will be able to clearly understand all these options when I get on the product page, and I will show you the significance of each option one by one at the product page again. So let's just see what each options does and what are their significance. Next option is about border color. You can choose the border color of the pictogram circle from here. After that, the border radius. You can choose to set it between 0 and 50. Let me just tell you how it will help you. The lesser you keep the value, the lesser circular pictograms icons will be shown. And after that, there is border width. Whatever the width of the outer side of the circle which you want to show, or let's just say if you have kept the border radius at 0, then it will keep more of a rectangular shape it will show. I will show you this when we get on to the product page later in the video. For now, let's just save the settings. After that, you need to go to the catalog sections, attributes and features section, As you all know, this pictogram module helps you to add pictures for the features of your product. So to do so, you need to go to the features section. After coming on to the features section, whichever features you have added, please click on to view all the combinations which are available for a feature. Like this, in the composition section, there are various types of composition which I have added here, as you can see. Now let's just see one of the options to see what changes has been done via the addition of this module. As you can see that this extra option has been added by installing this module. If you add this feature to a product, then a pictogram icon, whichever icon which you wish to upload from here or which you uploaded, will be shown against that feature on the product page. Let's just see. The feature value of this composition is cotton, and say I have added cotton composition for a product in the feature section for a product, then the file which has been added by me here will be shown on the product page too. Another thing, after adding the file in this section, you can see that a preview is also shown here, so that you can confirm whatever the file which you have uploaded is being shown clearly or not. So this was all about adding a picture for a feature value. In the same way, you can add a picture for different feature values, whatever features you have created for your own shop. Now let's just go to the product section to show you that I have added it to a product and how you can do. In this product, as you can see, I have added the feature under the composition section that cotton is the feature of this product, that is t-shirt. It is made up of cotton. So here I have added it. Now just you can see that, or you can enter the customized value too. This is the functionality of Prestashop basically, but just for the info. But as you can see that this composition is added by me, cotton. So the image added for this feature value will be shown on the product page too. So now let's just go to the front end of the shop. As you can see, feature, that is the image which I have added for the cotton, it's showing here too. Let's just say if you add various features like this property, short sleeves, and if I have added a pictogram for this value too, then it will be shown here on this product page too. So in this way you can show or highlight various features of your product, not just by mentioning them under the product details section, but via the help of pictograms. This is a view of a pictogram. As you can see, by hovering my cursor over it, it is enlarging too, as I have enabled that option in the configuration setting. So it is enlarging the image on hovering the cursor. In the same way, you can add various pictograms for various feature values, and it will help you to show the features or highlight the features of your product very clearly, and to show your customers that this is the highlighted feature. You can easily grab the attention of the customer. Now let's just see what all other options which I have got in the configuration settings do. To see that, let's just go back to the configuration page again. As you can see that there are multiple options, so we'll see the changes on the product page one by one. I have already shown you the significance of this image hover enlarge option. Now let's just see how image fill changes the settings. For now it's showing as this. Now let's just disable this option. On disabling it, you might not view it very clearly, but on disabling this image fill options, as this image was mostly the size which got fit into the circle, but let's just say if the image is not up to the size of this circle, then it will not fill into this circle and the sides will be shown as blank. After that, as you can see, the border color is shown here or selected here as yellow. You might as well see that the border color of this pictogram is also showing as yellow. Now next option is about border radius. Let's just save it to 0 to see what difference does it bring onto the product page. As you can see, and I have already told you that if you keep lesser the value of border radius, then lesser the circular pictogram image will be shown on the product page. Higher the value, higher the circular image will be shown here. Next is border width. It's very simple, but let's just say I keep it to 25 to show you the changes. As you can see, the very thin line of the border is shown here currently, as I have not yet refreshed the page. But let's just refresh the page and you can see that after saving the border radius value as 25, the whole thick border is shown around the pictogram. So this was all about the Prestashop Product Pictogram module. I hope this video clears all your doubts and helps you to configure the module in the best possible way. Thank you.